Day 3, part 1, welding the patch. I say I'm welding the patch together that I'll be putting in the cutout section of the rocker panel on the right side arch repair that I'm doing today. So we call it the right arch repair patch weld. I'm using a titanium Flux Easy Flux 125 welder. Settings are on 1 and A. And I'm just putting things together. I'm not sure what you'll see on the camera. I'm just quickly putting this together and then putting it on the truck. Whoops, what it looks like for a spot fit. Wire spitting out fast. Woo-hoo. Hopefully I don't work this little guy too much. I thought it would be easier welding off the truck than putting it on. We'll soon find out. Just hope I don't blow a fuse. Come on, wire. Whoops. Put the side of my grinding rod there. A lot of heat coming out of this thing. I should clean off a lot of this flux. But we'll see. Alrighty, so that's good enough for the moment. I think I put a good 5 minutes into it. I'm gonna go put it on the truck and see what we got. Put that down. Alright, let's try something here. I'm gonna dismount the camera from the mount. Actually, now I'm gonna bring it to the truck. Show you what I got here. Try not to recreate the wheel, repositioning everything. So basically, this is what we're looking at right here. I'll be right back. Well, more or less shape this to put this in here like so. I'll cut it in here, cut this in here. Use my magnet or two to hold it in place. And I already have a patch on the back side that form fit there, and I'll show you. This is a patch that I form fitted yesterday. That goes right up in there. So I'm not sure. I might try to put it on the camera, but if not, that's what you'll see. Let's see here, one more time for me. Throw a magnet on there just for the heck of it. Alrighty. So this concludes part day 3, part 1 of the wheel arch repair, driver's side on Ford Ranger 1998.